All right, good morning, students. Today, you will find on the board the topic for the day. After you guys copy down today's agenda, objective, and homework in your notebooks, you will also copy down the title for today's journal prompt, Photosynthesis. In your notebooks, you will write down these questions. What is it? What you already know about it? Why is it important? And for fun, I want to know if you're a meat eater or a vegetarian. And then we are going to have about 5 minutes to write down 4 to 6 sentences in your notebooks. After that, we're going to get with our partners sitting next to us and share those ideas that you wrote down for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to share as a class some of the ideas that we came up with so we can fill in the K portion of our KWL chart. What do we know about photosynthesis? What do we want to know about photosynthesis? What will we learn about photosynthesis at the end of this lesson? All right, timer starts now. All right. Close your notebooks, pencils down. Time to turn to your partner, and you have about 3 minutes to share. So I want to see people talking, swapping back and forth your ideas that you wrote down in your notebooks. And begin. All right, back together as a class. Now I'm going to call on a few of you guys to share what you discussed with your partners and what you wrote down in your notebooks. Take some of those ideas and copy them down on the board. All right, so I'm going to use some sticks to call on people. All right, Brian, what do you want to share? What did you write down? What do you know about photosynthesis? All right, you know that it is from plants. It is about plants. What else did you learn? That they don't eat food. Great. And what did your partner find out? It involves the sun. Great. All right, on to Jose. What did you guys learn about photosynthesis? What do you guys know? Doesn't involve animals. Great. All right. What else? Oh, it's a chemical reaction. Okay. What else did we share? Did you guys think of anything else? Involves food, making food. Okay. And one other team. Let's call on Tyler. What did you learn? All right, maybe that there is plants give us what? They give us, oh yes, they give us shade and oxygen. Great. What else? Plants are green. Great. Okay. So now we're going to think about a few things we want to know about plants. Like, how do they make food? How do they grow? What do they do during nighttime? When the sun isn't out? What else do we want to know about photosynthesis? How long does it take? Okay, great. What else? Maybe volunteers. Oh, yes, you have your hand raised. Great. What is involved to make food? Great. Oh, I have one other person raising their hand. Okay, great. What parts of the plant make the food? Great questions. All right, so we're going to use these columns. We're going to keep them up on the board, or you're going to have your notebooks out. While we dive into our lessons, we're going to go into a PowerPoint, and I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about what we know from our resources about photosynthesis. Then we're going to watch a few fun videos, and then you guys are going to get together and do a few fun things to learn more about this thing called photosynthesis. This L portion, what have we learned, we're not going to fill this out until the end of our lesson, so not today, but at the end of this week. Any questions? All right, so notebooks out, get ready to take notes. Use your graphic organizers that I've passed out to you to follow along with our PowerPoint presentation.